What's up, folks? Check this out. Right now we're heading onto the Disney Skyliner. That's the gondola here that connects all of the Disney World properties. So I'm going to show you the Disney Hollywood Studios property. We're going to take the Skyliner from Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort and see what Disney Hollywood Studios Resort is like. Let's check that out right now. Let's go. You can see the Skyliner operations time. They work from 7:30 a.m. till 10:30 p.m. in the nights. And these are the gondolas here that are called Disney Skyliner. And then behind me is Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort just over there. I'll have another video on that. I'll leave the link in the description below for you to check that out. This here is the Disney Skyliner, and we're at the Disney Skyliner gondola station here at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. It's actually a central station for all the resorts. You can grab gondolas to each of the resorts. To my left here, that's access to gondolas that will take you to Disney's Art of Animation Resort and Disney's Pop Century Resort. Over on the right, you can access gondolas to Disney's Riviera Resort and also the Epcot International Gateway. So that's the Epcot Resort area. And then straight ahead there's gondolas as well that you can access to head to Disney's Hollywood Studios. So this is the station you want to be at if you want to access gondolas to Disney's resorts here at Disney World in Orlando, Florida. And the gondolas are free to access, so keep that in mind. I'm going to request a clear gondola so you can see what this is like riding on the Disney Skyliner.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
We are currently on the gondola right now, heading from Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort to the Disney Hollywood Studios Resort. The rides on the gondola are free. It's free for everyone. Keep that in mind. You don't have to pay to use it to get connected to all the Disney properties. I'm just going to show you around the Disney Hollywood Studios so you can see what it's like, see what they have to offer, the attractions, the amenities, and so on. It's a pretty popular spot. Right now we're coming up to the parking lot and it's absolutely full. Let's check that out and see what it's like over here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. All right, let's go.
In just a few minutes, we will be arriving at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Whether you plan to visit a galactic outpost or play with all of Andy's toys, at Disney's Hollywood Studios, everyone can become the stars of their favorite cinematic stories.
Disney Hollywood Studios is a popular attraction here at Disney World. You can see the amount of people here right now is crazy. Definitely one of the things you want to consider doing if you do visit Disney World here in Orlando, Florida. Really popular attraction.
Ladies, gentlemen, and members of the Academy, welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Gracias por volar con nosotros.
So we just exited the Disney Skyliner gondolas here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Just down here, you can see the boat that takes you from the other Disney resorts over here to Disney's Hollywood Studios. And this is just one of the many transit options you have here at Disney World in Orlando, Florida to get around the Disney properties. This is what the entrance looks like here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. This is what it looks like when you walk inside. I just came through the security entrance. They do check you for whatever you have on you that you're bringing in. Make sure you're not bringing in anything dangerous. Right here is where you can get your tickets. One-day tickets is starting from $179 if you're 10 and over. For kids that are between 3 and 9, it's $174. So if you are 10 and over, then your ticket price is $174. If you are between 3 and 9, your ticket price is $169 here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And then once you get your tickets right here, you just head through this section. And then you just go up to the guest entrance, show them your ticket, they'll scan it for you, and then you can get inside Disney's Hollywood Studios. It's a huge attraction here at Disney World with a lot of things to do, a lot of eats, rides, and so on. As you can see, it's really popular. They also have a guest relations area over here. If you have any questions or concerns, you can just check here when you come to visit. And out here is what the parking area looks like. It's a really big parking area. If you park on the far side of the parking area, you could be walking for a while before you get to the entrance here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. So that's it for our video here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. I didn't actually enter the resort area. I just came by to see what it's like, see what they have to offer, and check out how it actually works. We took the gondola all the way from Disney's Epcot Resort and the Caribbean Beach Resort. It's one of Disney's most popular attractions here on the Disney World property. I would definitely consider coming here with my kids in the future. It looks like a pretty cool spot to bring your kids here in Disney World. Definitely consider it if you are coming to visit Orlando, Florida for your vacation, or you're coming to visit the Disney World parks. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We do appreciate you watching. Feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. We're gonna see you in one of our next videos here in Orlando, Florida. Take care and peace out from Disney's Hollywood Studios. Check out the lineup to get on the Disney Skyliner here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Pretty long lineup here.